don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What's up, Vnation? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So right here we have a Dodge Calibre 2008. So as you guys saw, I did a tune-up. So this is a quick and easy tune-up to do. It's pretty much you need a T30 Torx bit. Sorry, let me put my seatbelt for a second here. So I was saying, guys, you need a T30 Torx bit to loosen the fastener for the coils, and then you just unclip the connector, pull up the coil, and then change the spark plugs. So this could be a good DIY for someone if you want to save some money, and it's fairly simple to do. Just keep in mind, don't over tighten the spark plugs when you install it. Once you feel it kind of snug already, just do a quarter turn and that should be good. So anyways, I just want to show you guys quickly what this 2008 Dodge Calibre looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. This car is pretty clean, guys. It's low mileage. This car is well taken care of. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's a not bad looking car. It's like a little crossover, I would say. But as you guys can see, it's a beautiful day in Vancouver, BC. So once again, guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.